Assalamu alaikum, everyone. I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I will show you step by step how to open an account with Exness, how to complete KYC verification, and how to deposit and withdraw money properly.
Many beginners are confused about what do I need to open an account? Can I deposit $1,000 or more? Why is my residential verification not approved? Can I withdraw large amounts?
Today, I'll clear all your concerns in one complete video.
What do you need to open an Exness account? Step 1. Registration process. 1. Go to the official Exness website. 2. Click on Register. 3. Select your country. 4. Enter your valid email address. Very important. 5. Create a strong password. At least 8 characters. Include capital letters, small letters, numbers, special characters at hash, etc. Important. Use a secure email with 2-step verification enabled. All withdrawal and deposit codes will go to this email. After registration, you'll set a passcode for quick login. This is not your password. Keep it secure. Step 2. KYC verification. Very important to fully activate your account and remove deposit limits. You must complete 3 verifications. 1. Email verification. Enter the code sent to your email. 2. Phone number verification. Enter the OTP sent to your phone. Make sure you enter your number correctly. For Bangladesh, country code is +880, so don't add extra 0 at the beginning. 3. Identity verification. NID upload. Upload. Front side of NID, back side of NID. You can also use passport or driving license, but NID is recommended. After uploading, within 2 to 5 minutes, your account should be verified. Deposit process using Binance. Now, let's talk about deposit. Once your profile is fully verified, you can deposit large amounts without issues. Some people say new accounts can't deposit $10,000. That's not true. If your KYC and residential verification are properly completed, you can deposit higher amounts. To deposit. 1. Go to deposit. 2. Choose Binance. 3. Enter amount example, $10,000. 4. Confirm payment. Deposit is usually instant withdrawal process. Now, let's withdraw the full amount. Steps. 1. Goal to withdraw. 2. Select Binance. 3. Enter amount. 4. Enter OTP sent to your phone. 5. Enter your Binance ID. 6. Confirm. Within 20 to 30 seconds, usually, the money arrives in your Binance account. Important advice for beginners. Opening an account is easy. Depositing money is easy. But making profit is not easy. 90% of traders lose money because they don't have proper learning, don't use risk management, don't follow a roadmap before trading real money. Practice on demo, learn properly, understand risk management. Without learning, you cannot earn consistently. Final words. This video I showed how to open an Exness account, how to complete KYC, how to deposit, how to withdraw. If you follow these steps carefully, you should not face any problems.
Thank you for watching. See you in the next video where I will explain how to execute trades and use the trading interface. Assalamu alaikum.